Hello, this is Nas from NB Network Lessons. Hope everyone's doing okay and in high spirits. Today, the topic of discussion is to solve a quadratic equation using quadratic formulas. There are scenarios, when you run into scenarios, you've got a quadratic equation, but you are unable to find factors through traditional way or the big X technique. At that time, you inject or you use the quadratic formula, which is this is basically the quadratic format of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And the quadratic formula, if you're not able to find the factors using traditional way or the big X technique, then you use x is equal to minus b plus minus under the root b square minus 4ac, the whole thing over 2a. Okay, so let's do an example, see if we can come up with something. Let's say we have x squared minus 16x plus 3. Okay, first thing is to identify a, b, and c. Coefficients associated with x squared is 1. Coefficient associated with linear x is minus 16. Coefficient, this is the constant, so c is equal to 3. Now what you do is that you plug in values of a, b, c into quadratic formula to find the value of x. So x is equal to minus b, so minus into minus 16 plus minus under the root b square minus 16 square minus 4 multiplied by a, which is 1, multiplied by c, which is 3, whole thing over 2a, 2 multiplied by a, which in this case is 1. Simplify this. X is equal to minus multiplied by minus makes this plus, plus minus. Then you have 16 square is minus 16 square would be 256. I'm sorry, it would be, 256 minus 4 times 1 times 3 is 12. All right, the whole thing over 2. So then you get two answers. Answer number 1 would be 16 plus, what is 256 minus 12? 244 over 12 over 2. And the second answer would be x is equal to 16 minus under root of 244 over 2. So these are the two answers, my friend. X can be either this or this. If you want to go one step ahead and impress your professor, you can just go ahead and solve this. You will get 15.810 and you get 0.189. So these are the two answers. Thank you so much for watching. Continue following me. I teach math, I teach science, I teach physics, algebra, geometry, engineering, circuit analysis, computer networking, you name it. Just visit my collections and you'll find everything. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.